Today we are cleaning the hamster's cages. Now, I cleaned Chewy's cage, but the reason why I didn't film that is because I don't have a stand over there. Like, I'm on a tripod right now, but I have it on a dresser. And so, obviously, can't film it if I'm holding it. But this little guy, so every time I clean his cage, I literally take off the lids, and it's fine. He stays in there, it's fine. Today, he decides to escape, go behind my bed, and so we're starting to pull out my bed, and I feel something on my foot, and I scream, and there's Chewy. He was in my room, and then also, he goes back, and he's still trying to get out. He's over there trying to get out, and I'm like, dude, you have an IKEA detoff. Like, what? You can't get a bigger cage than that. Like, what is he doing? Chewy, what are you doing? Dude, why do you want to go on an adventure so bad? You were just at playtime. Can someone, like, tell me why he's doing this? Like, he's got this big... Chewy. Chewy Chooster. Okay. Anyway, now we're gonna clean Cross's cage. So, let's just... So, it's basically a spot clean today. But, yeah. Okay, what? Does anyone else's hamster, like, dirty their wheel every night and you have to clean it every single day? And, like, if you had time, you would have to probably clean it twice a day? Like, what? Cross. Chewy. Okay, so I'm just gonna take everything out. And if he wakes up, he wakes up. I'm just gonna put it. Get his water. Ah! I have so much stuff in my dresser, it's not even funny. Okay. I'm gonna rearrange this. So I'm just gonna take these out. I might wash these, honestly. Just because they haven't been washed in about a week and a half. I like to wash all their stuff pretty often. Cross the door! I like to find him to know where he's at. That way, so when I start cleaning, obviously... Well, here's sunflower seed. Anyone want one? That way, so when I start cleaning, I don't accidentally hit him or anything. Hi, Cross. Hi, baby. Show yourself to the camera. Hi. And lately, I've just really been leaving them in their cage for spot cleaning. Cross sometimes gets upset about it. Sometimes he doesn't. He just doesn't really like me destroying his stuff. And obviously going through his burrows, but that's okay. It doesn't stress him out too bad, to the point where I can't do it. Right, Cross? Right, baby? Good morning. Yeah, I know, it's daytime, because I have to film during the day, and I only have time to clean your cage during the day. It gets really dark in my room at night, so, because I have my lights dimmed, I only have one light bulb in, so I don't exactly can't film in my room, at least during the day. So I'm just gonna speed this up and we'll get the spot cleaning done. Okay, so now I washed this stuff down that I wanted to wash. I decided not to wash the logs just because I felt like they still had Croz's scent on it, and I didn't want to take that away or anything. And obviously, it's not that necessary to wash the hides as much as it is to obviously wash like the wheel and the water bottle. The food dish will get washed tonight when I decide to, when I play with them tonight. When they get their playtime tonight. So not a big deal. And I'm just playing this because it is November. I'm just playing this cute little Christmas hide. And then I will sprinkle some, I'll give him some extra mealworms. Because, actually, does he have any in there? He has one in there, so I'll wait till he eats that. What is that? Oh, just water. Okay. Hey, guys, you want some flax seeds? He loves flax seeds. They are his favorite, besides kale. But he can't really have kale just because I noticed, so he was getting kale every night because I like to give them salads. And I noticed he was, Chewy, really? And I noticed he was gaining weight. And I was like, why does he look so chubby? I was like, what? My mom's like, oh, no, it's fine. And then I was, like, researching foods and stuff, and they say kale. And I'm like, Mom, like, I was so right. Like, I definitely knew he was, like, gaining weight. And so I took him off kale, and he's back to a normal weight, which is good. But he really misses it, and he's kind of mad at me for it. Right, baby? You mad at me for no kale? I know. You loved your kale. Okay, I have no more flax seeds on my hand. So, yeah, there's flax seeds in here. So, yeah. And I will give you a tour of their cages. This is an overview of Cros's cage. He has a 40-gallon breeder. This is the Hamster'S cage, and obviously right now, because he's throwing a little fit kinda and trying to get out, I'm not going to take off the top to show you guys because I don't want him getting out again. But yeah, here he is. The reason why Chewy has a sand bath and Kraz doesn't is because Chewy uses it quite a lot and a few times a day, and Kraz couldn't care less for it. So I gave him a few weeks with the sand bath, and Chewy loved it, Kraz didn't. So I figured why take up the room in his cage. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. And if you did, comment down below what other hamster videos I should do. And thanks for watching. Bye.